What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to give you a recap on today's trading day. What happened? It was an interesting day to say the least. Started the day off strong, up quite a bit, gave it all back during chop, and then ended up getting my profits back to end the day green. So overall, good trading day. Didn't trade my best, but we did end up green, which is what matters. So if you like today's video, be sure to drop a like on it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to catch more videos like this. And guys, we have tons of shorts coming out. So stay tuned. Lots of content coming. Cheers. I'm going to go ahead and get short. I'm going to participate short here on 2 contracts on the NAS. Let's see if we get the pullback that we wanted here. Buyers coming in a little bit. Probably could have waited to get in this short, but I do want to go. I want to go ahead and participate in this. See if we can flush those wicks. We can flush those wicks. This thing's going to move. Flush the wicks, we're moving. There we go. Maybe even get a VWAP test. Feeling pretty weak here. We're going to go ahead and just close it out there for a $200 profit. We'll take that to start the day. Good first trade, $200. I probably could have held on to that trade. Honestly, it's looking pretty weak here. I think we do still get the VWAP test, but I had a hard time trusting it. So, and I was in 2 contracts. I probably could have let one run. Probably could have exited one and let one run, but decided to go ahead and get out of it. We want to start the day off strong, start the week off strong. So we're up $200 to start the day, which is not bad. We'll see when the next setup comes up and see what we can take. But overall, market's looking weak, looking very, very weak. Because we're not even catching like a very big buy up off VWAP here. I'm tempted to go short. I'm going to do it. I'm going to go short here. Because so far we haven't caught a buy up off VWAP. It feels weak. I feel like we flush it. There we go. Still flushing. See if we can flush these wicks here. There we go. Good flush there. Still running. Still running. Thinking about getting out of this now. I'm going to go ahead and get out of it. Good trade. Another $200. Bringing us up to 410 on the day. That was a good trade right there. I'll take that. It did feel very weak. Normally, I won't take that trade. Just so you guys know. Normally, I don't take that. That's me getting short right at VWAP. But looking at Delta and seeing how we weren't catching a buy up, it felt very, very weak, like it wanted to, and I wasn't going to keep that tight. I wasn't going to try to catch a runner. I wanted to catch a quick scalp off of that, and it felt very weak, and I was confident we were going to drop below VWAP there, so I took it. If we started to catch a buy up, I was going to get out very, very quickly. It was just a scalp move, but we could flush here again. We could continue running. Again, I'm just trying to take base hits here. I'm not trying to hit home runs, so I'm not going to try to get down on myself, for not catching the whole move, because that's just how you run yourself as a trader. I'm up $410. Like, I have nothing to complain about here. I'm happy about that trade. It's a good trade. So now we're just going to wait for the next setup, see what comes about. Caught a little bit of a buy up, bringing us back up to VWAP here. Interesting move. If we get back above VWAP and we close above VWAP, I might look at taking a long. But so far right now, I don't trust that. I would need to see us get above VWAP and close. We got 35 seconds before the next candle. So let's see if we can get the close above VWAP here. I might look at a long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go ahead and get long. Since we came back up and broke above VWAP here, I am gonna get long on this. See if we can catch a little bit of a move up. I'm going to keep it really tight, though. I'm not going to try to catch a home run trade. It's going to be a quick scalp.
Order filled.
Just like that. I'm out. Quick $65. Like, nothing too big. I was hoping for a little bit more of a move, but I don't like the wick here. Don't trust it. Literally just a quick $65 trade. It could continue to rip, though. I'm having just a hard time trusting it. I'm gonna go ahead and
Order
get
filled.
short here. I'm anticipating we might drop. I could be early. Could be a bad trade right here. Definitely could get bought up. I'm gonna keep it tight. Testing VWAP right now. Potential buy up right here. See what happens here at VWAP. Just broke above VWAP here. Getting to move higher.
Order
Alright, I'm gonna
filled.
close that out. Take the L there. I'm gonna
Order
re-enter
filled.
my short here. See if we can continue to get a move down. But we're really short on this move. Thinking about killing it. Thinking about killing this trade on this test right here. I'm gonna go ahead and kill it there. That's a quick $100 trade. Quick little scalp. I don't know how we're gonna act on this support. We could flush it, but I did want to take a quick little scalp there. I just feel like you gotta be scalpy in these kinds of market conditions. Like it's so choppy that if you're gonna enter a trade, like you just gotta be quick to get in and quick to get out. It's a quickie. Sometimes quickies are the way to go. Okay, I'm done. Bought up, back up at VWAP. I think we might rip. I think we formed a lower high right here. We might actually push. We'll see though.
Order filled.
There's a break below that support. I'm gonna get short. Of course, right when I get short, it gets bought up. Do we get continuation to the downside? No, we do not. We get bought up. Okay, I'm gonna kill that. Take the L. It's just getting bought up. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate.
Order filled.
I am gonna get long here. It's feeling rippy. Every dip is getting bought up. It just feels very, very rippy at the moment. Here we go on that move. There's a break above those wicks. Could get a strong push here. Failed those wicks. Trying to break those wicks. I think we do it. Nope. Failed. What a chop fest at VWAP right here, man. Incredible.
Order
I'm going to kill
filled.
it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Of course, right when I kill it, it gets bought right back up, right? Why wouldn't it? This move could go literally either way. It's either going to run these wicks up to the upside or it's going to run the wicks on the downside. It can go either way. Looks like it wants to run to the upside. Trying to, at least.
Order filled.
Buyer stepping in. I'm getting long 2 contracts. On the buyer stepping up here. Still trying to push. Still pushing.
Order
I'm
filled.
out of 1 contract. See if we can get one just to run. Gonna try to let one run here. Getting slapped a little bit. Really getting slapped.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna kill it. Slap's not looking too good.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get short again. Nice move here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna kill that. for a quick scalp just to get myself back up in the green. Up 270, looking like we're gonna flush here pretty hard. I am gonna get back into one though, just to see if I can let one run. Looking like we want to slap pretty hard here. I'm gonna get out of one, just take a little bit of profit, de-risk a little bit in case we do decide to get bought up here. I'm still short one contract. We might be able to get this run down to break support. Nice, there we go. There we go. Good move. Let's see if we get continuation. I'm gonna go ahead and kill it. Good trade. Good trade there. It took us back up to $340 on the day. We're just getting chopped up pretty badly here. But it looks like we're gonna finally break out and make a move to the downside. But man, definitely got chopped up today. Not what you want. Not what you want to see. We're going to be patient, wait on the next move, see what happens. We did flush that support, but we got bought right back up into it. Look at all these wicks. There's support here and support here. So this is a pretty strong area for us to hold. We're still in this wedge, which is crazy. We still have support going all the way across with these wicks, and we have this line coming down here. So we're still in this wedge. Looking strong.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in long here. I think we might get a move up to the upside here. It's looking fairly strong. Buyers stepping up. Going up a little bit. We might get a move. There we go. Let's see if we can break 82 here. Can we break 82? There it is. There's a break above 82. That's what we were looking for. Still moving up a little bit. Strong push. Buyers look good. Buyers look very, very good.
Order filled.
We're gonna get out of it right there. Good trade. We could continue to rip, but that overall, I'm happy with that trade. That was a good trade. That put us back up at $535 on the day. Not bad. Not bad, folks. The push looked very, very strong there. Looking at Delta, it looked strong. Buyers are stepping up, getting the strong push to show for it. Look good.
Order filled.
I'm going to take this short here. We might push a little bit higher, but I am going to take this short where we're at because we are at the top of the range of the candle. So if we get a little bit of a pullback, that'll put me in the green. If we continue to make new highs, I'm not going to be afraid to add to my short. I anticipate getting some sort of a pullback. So far, they failed to make a new high. Candle's going to be closing here in a few seconds. Okay, here comes a new candle. Made new highs by basically a tick there. Let's just try to be patient and see what this does. A little bit of a push down. Not quite enough though. Basically push down to a break even on our trade. Looking for a little bit more than that though. Looking for a break below these wick here is what I want. I'm just gonna call it. I'm gonna get out of the trade. I don't trust it. We might actually flush that wick, but something tells me just to get out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this recap video. If you did, be sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more daily content just like this one. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.